Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate WooCommerce with Salesforce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our website on WooCommerce wherever we are using it. If you are using WooCommerce on your WordPress website, you can go ahead and open up WordPress hosting and from here we can get started. If you're using it directly from WooCommerce and using their application, then you can go ahead and start from there. Well, let's go and take a look at what we need to do. Basically, we are going to go ahead and be opening up this extensions page on WooCommerce.com where we can find all the extensions we can go ahead and use with WooCommerce. From here, it's going to look like this. You can take a look at the main extensions you have right here. And what we can do is use the search bar option right here. In the search bar, we are going to search for Salesforce. So go ahead and search for Salesforce and it's going to give us this extension right here, which is Salesforce integration. By opening it up, it's going to show you how the extension looks like and what you can do with it. So as you can see, you can use this extension for your WooCommerce website to use it in your plugin and to go ahead and integrate Salesforce into your store. So if you're ready to buy it, you can click add to cart right now or buy now immediately. You can even go ahead and take a look at the demo to see how it works, and if you want to use it for yourself, here you can take a look at what is all included. You have the 30-day money back guarantee, customer support, and the updates that are going to be coming to the application. So if you're satisfied with everything you see right here, you can go ahead and add it by buying it, and after that you can integrate it into your WordPress website or wherever you're using WooCommerce, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.